Item analysis of major exams during face-to-face mode. First step is to correct the test papers. Then write the scores to show the MCQ, multiple choice questions, scores. Next is to arrange the MCQ scores from highest to lowest. Test 1 here is MCQ. Open the item analysis file. This is the item analysis file. Let us put the number of students here. I have 81 students in 2 sections, Senior 3 Alpha and Bravo. The Excel file will automatically compute the 27% of the total number of students. Here, it shows 22. We will delete or insert cells to use only the 27%. Customize the file to fit 22 students in the highest and lowest table for the scores per item. Now, open your class record. Select the students in one section. Highlight them, then copy for pasting. Open a blank Excel file and paste the students in the second column, that is B column. Then go back to the class record and copy the students in another section. Paste them in the cell below the list in the blank Excel file. Click one cell only. Enter the scores of the 22 highest students combined from the 2 sections. You have already arranged the scores from highest to lowest, so it would be easier to pick the 22 higher scores. Now, we can program a counter so that we will not lose track of counting the 22 students. Using the count function, watch how it is done here. Use the $sign so that when dragging the formula, the format will not change. Drag the formula down to copy it to the lower cells so that when you scroll down, you can still see the counting. Continue writing the scores of the highest 22 students until you reach the count of 22. When the count of 22 is reached, but there are some students with the same scores, you can add them too. Now we can use the COUNTIF function to count the lowest 22 students. You can use lesser than 34 in your formula, 34 being the lowest score in the 22 highest students. Drag the formula down to copy it to the lower cells so that when you scroll down, you can still see the counting. Enter the scores of the lowest 22 students combined from the two sections. After reaching the count of 22, and there are students with the same score as the 22nd student, add them too. Highlight all of the listed students at the left side to select the rows where the students are listed. Then click Home, click Sort and Filter, and click Sort Z to A or highest to lowest. The list will now be arranged from the highest to the lowest. We can now number the list from 1 to 22 from the top and going down. And from the bottom of the listed students with scores and going up. Select the 22 highest students from the list and copy them to paste them in the Item Analysis Excel file. Select the 22 lowest students from the list and copy them to paste them in the Item Analysis Excel file. Now that we know the names of the 22 highest and lowest, we can enter their scores per item. 1 for correct answer and 0 for wrong answer. Fast forward. Almost finished. Complete the form before submission. Done. I hope this technique is good for you. Thank you for watching.